What's up guys, another day, another bike na naman tayo guys for today's video. December 31, New Year's. Yan, solo ride tayo dito. Maluwag ang kalsada ngayon. Wala mga sarap magbike ngayon guys. Area na. Divisoria, Tondo. Yan. Solo ride. Happy New Year sa inyo. Shoutout sa inyo dyan. Shoutout. Shoutout sa iyo, Buboy Acuña ng Ermitaño, San Juan. Shoutout sa iyo, Kuya Romy Tinsay, Pasalubong, galing Pangasinan. Shoutout sa iyo, Kalapate, The Budolman. Tomorrow, yesterday, the shadow and time has slipped away, and suddenly it's hard to find the memories were left behind. Remember, do you remember the time of your life?